A little more. Okay, now buckle it in, Nia.
Well, it's 16.
Now buckle it in.
0 divided by -5.
Oh my God! If I was back there, girl, I'd be screaming.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, Zell, go ahead and let go. It's alright. Nia, look at my face.
Take off
You
your
have
sunglasses.
got. Okay, good
You look
idea.
more serious, because whenever I look at you, I'm not even mad or anything.
What? This is great. This is great. Okay.
She's trying to tell me that she's gonna have
Holy cannoli.
together.
I can't even.
Bubba, you making it worse.
I can't even be serious now.
That was a peppermint? Yeah, gross.
Nia, look at my face. She's smiling. Nia. What? What was that?
Sorry.
Did you have a loogie?
My throat. And I had to get it to oh man. I did that all day.
Okay, we've been
At
sitting
school?
here for like 6 minutes. Really. Buckle it up. Do you need help? Okay, you got like 5 seconds. And then I'm going to have one of the boys do it.
Have me do it. Have me do it.
Pick me.
Nia, pull this part out. Pull. Keep pulling. And now buckle it in. Hold on to it and buckle it in. There you go.
I'm sending this to Tiffany. Absolutely.
Oh, dude, I almost got
Drama.
I'm doing it.
Chins, wait. Just give it like 2 more seconds. Just hold on. I think she can do it. Johnny, you about to lose a tooth? Wow.
Peppermint is an aspect.
Oh.
Gross.
Is it yours?
No, no. That is not my peppermint. I didn't know those
How long?
back there.
How long? You've been in school since August. How long have you had that book?
Why are you challenging me? Whenever I'm done with school, I'm done with it. I don't want to do no extra problems. I can't even remember. It's like half of the year ago. I don't know.
Zell, walk her through it. Walk her through it.
He said, huh?
I'm about to
Walk her
start
through it.
running.
Don't do it. Don't do it. Just
Tell her how to do
Do
it.
it, Zell.
Oh, I hear the buckle.
You got it?
Keep going.
Push it in hard.
Is this buckle training?
I want to hold it.
I need to learn
I
how.
know.
I'm not even holding the seatbelt.
Alright, what's number 18? 18.
So Bernie couldn't take it anymore, and she's gonna go and buckle the seatbelt.
That's one. You know.
That's one. Unbuckle real quick.
-1.
Nope. You ain't gotta put all in there. Just put up. So I don't reach back there. Can I just do this? She gonna really. Oh. Let me do it. Here, just scoot. Just scoot your booty up.
Yeah. Booty up, Kenneth. It's all because of
This
Nia.
is what she wanted. She wanted me to come back here and do it for her.
Or you could have done what I love. Popper.
Well, Kenneth, I'm trying to avoid Popper, okay?
But that gets her straight. Hey, Kenneth, you got a peppermint?
Zale is so understanding.
Zell, you look
Zale,
completely
wave. Zale. Zale, wave.
Lordy today.
Was that fun?
Jesus. Chicken tongues.
That was great. I need to do this more often.
I like that.
Every Wednesday, Thursday, Sunday.
Tracy.